I just shot about 8 birds just now. Shot a cardinal and another one. That's the gun I shot it with. The power lines. We go get some of them. Get some of the birds I got. Okay, so far I see 1, 2. I got 1, 2 so far that I see dead. 1, 2. There's a whole bunch more I got. I got like 5 more. I got a lot of birds just now. 1, 2, 3. I blew one's body off? What the fuck? I did a lot of damage to one. 2, 3, one's stuck in the... One's stuck. There's one right there. One you can see there, there, there. There's one all the way back there. I'm gonna go get these guys. I shot just now. There's too many of these, I think. It's a nice bird, but no, you can't have too many of these in the woods. There's a lot of little ones, so you kind of wanna, cause they're nice. Cardinal over there I got. Got that guy. Got 2. This is my second one. Oh, this is a good day for hunting. Shot him up in the guts. He had no chance. Him.